Alright guys, so today, this is our dilemma. The SI is actually, the battery's dead. I haven't driven the car in a couple days either because we've been driving in Vanessa's car, but I don't see why the battery would be dead. So right now I'm just giving it a quick jump before I'm able to jump the S2000. I don't know, both my cars are dying today. But hopefully it gets a nice little start up. We're gonna rev Vanessa's car to like a little 2 to 3 RPM just to give it a little bit more juice. She's got the big body F Sport. And let's just hope that the SI starts because that's gonna be super annoying. I can't believe both my cars died in a matter of 2 days. But I feel like I started the SI yesterday. I don't know. I don't think I did actually. I don't think I did. I knew something was fishy when I tried to start the car. Ah, we're back. I knew something was fishy when I tried to unlock the car and nothing would unlock.
December 13th, plus kit style from $5.99 on December 14th and 15th. Visit Gas Factory.
Why is it not unlocking? Alright. Now the SI is charging up the big body S2K. Damn, I need to get my valve cover done. Y'all want to see some motor work, bro? That is probably the cleanest engine bay you'll ever see in life. But yeah, I'm gonna get my valve cover done real soon. Get something right here for some cool festivities. Got the Mishimoto with the Mishimoto radiator cap. Yeah, big body shit. Don't worry guys, one day y'all just gonna wake up, see my video and be like, holy shit, Phil did it. I know y'all want me to get rid of this car, but not happening. Well, not yet at least. But yeah, alright, let's see if we can get this car to get started now. Alright, let's see if this thing starts. That didn't sound too good. Oh, but it started. That was kind of weird, but it did start. Okay, today has to be the worst day of them all. So, I mean, it's not that serious, it's not that deep, but the tire, bro, oh my god, I was gonna drive the car today. The tire debeated. Like I said, I've been feeling like I had a slow leak somewhere, and this morning I came out, and I just started the car up as you guys can see, and the goddamn tire debeated, bro. I'm gonna see if I can pump air back into it and see if it'll go back to its form. If not, I'm gonna probably hit up my boy that sealed the wheel and see if he can reseal it again, because it's probably leaking from the seal. Because I mean, I drove it down to Ocean City after he fixed it. It was perfectly fine, unless I like got a nail in the tire somewhere. I'm gonna check. But I gotta get my spare tire, take this off, so that way I could drop this wheel off probably tomorrow. But this sucks, bro. It sucks. Best thing you could ever get is a nice little impact gun when you're a car guy. Helps you rip off any tire, I said any tire, any bolt quick. You know, before I used to do everything manually with a crowbar or like a pry bar, whatever the hell that shit's called. And I used to be out here all day trying to get all 4 off. Now I got the impact gun. 1, 2, 3. Yep, y'all see it? Done. So I'm hoping that it just debeaded because it was losing air. But wait, is that a rock or is that a fucking screw in there? But the tires are like brand new. So I don't know, man. I'm not saying anything. So I'm gonna try to see if I can seat it back on there again. I think the battery on the S2000 is completely shot, y'all. I just had to clutch kick it to get it to start up again. But I'm probably gonna disable the battery and then either take it probably tomorrow to get the meter test on it just to see what the the levels is on it, and then if not, I'm gonna have to get a new one, or maybe they could charge it for me. I don't know. But I'm gonna do what a lot of you guys been DMing me and saying, to disconnect the negative terminal. So I'm gonna do that and see if it makes a difference. Like I said, I'm not really in a rush right now to like fix it because I'm not really driving the car like that. It's really cold out. I wanted to drive it today actually, but this guy. So we'll see. We'll see. It's cold as hell out here. Content though, we gotta make some content. So I guess we're gonna be pushing the SI today. All right, let's take it out for a little quick spin. I'm not gonna go far. I just want to take the car out. I haven't driven it. Miss it. That's probably why when I was driving the other day, when I was with the MP and them, the car felt weird. Like I kept saying to myself, I'm like, yo, this shit looks like it's like keep getting flat, but the tire isn't like, low or whatever, but the sidewall was really like soft. So I kept like putting air in it, and then eventually I guess it just said, fuck it, I'm giving out. But it is what it is. It's a small thing. I mean, this battery thing though is kind of annoying, but the good thing about owning a manual car, you can always pop clutch it, or clutch kick it, or whatever the hell you guys want to call it, but I call it pop clutch. So you're able to start it, but obviously you're gonna need some type of like momentum to get the car going before you do that. I had to do it to this car maybe twice since I've owned it, and today will be the second time. So, you know, it is what it is. It's a small thing, but I mean, it'll get better. It'll get better. I can't wait for the weather to warm up. I'm ready to take the top off, go for a cruise with the homies, but we'll see.